Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove email address from your Snapchat account. So actually it is very quick and easy. I'll show you how to do that, but you need to watch this video till the end so you won't miss any important steps. So first of all, we need to open Snapchat, and from here we need to click on our profile picture in the top left corner to open our profile, and now we need to go to the settings, clicking on the settings icon in the top right corner. As we are on our settings, we can see the fifth option here is email. So if we click on the email, we won't see here an ability to delete this email from our account, but we have an ability to change this email. So if we want to unlink this current email from our account, we need to link some other email to this account. If you do not have any of emails available, what I suggest you to do is to close Snapchat and open your browser. Here in the search bar you need to type temp mail. This is basically the website that allows you to make a quick email to receive the code, and that is how we can link this new email to our Snapchat account. So basically choose any website you want. So for example, I'll go with this one, tempmailo.com, and as you can see it says your temporary email address is something like that. So we'll simply need to copy this email address. Just simply click on the copy button, go back to the Snapchat, delete this current email, and then paste this new email that was on the website, then press continue, and the code to this email will be sent. The code is sent to this email, and we can go back to the website and check the address, and basically that is it. Check the code, and basically that is it. That is how we can unlink or delete our current email address from our Snapchat account. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.